Modern society is often seen as the peak of human achievement, with cutting-edge technology, advanced medicine, and a deep understanding of science. But ancient civilizations laid the foundations for much of what we know today. So who had it better when it comes to science? Modern society or ancient civilizations? Welcome to my channel, everybody. In this video, we'll compare the two across key fields like medicine, engineering, astronomy, and more, using real, provable facts. Let's begin. Let's start with medicine, a field where the contrast between ancient and modern science is stark. Today, we have antibiotics, vaccines, and complex surgeries that save millions of lives. Diseases like smallpox have been eradicated, and life expectancy has more than doubled compared to ancient times. Advanced imaging tools like MRIs and CT scans allow us to diagnose and treat conditions that ancient civilizations couldn't even identify. But ancient civilizations weren't completely in the dark. The Egyptians, for example, were skilled surgeons. They even performed trepanation or skull surgery with surprising success. The Ebers Papyrus from around 1550 BCE documents remedies for over 800 ailments. In India, Ayurveda and ancient surgical practices like those described in the Sushruta Samhita were surprisingly advanced for their time. While ancient medicine laid the groundwork, modern science has revolutionized healthcare in ways ancient civilizations couldn't have imagined. Next, let's talk about engineering and architecture. Both ancient and modern societies have created awe-inspiring structures, but their approaches differ greatly. The ancient Egyptians built the Great Pyramid of Giza using precise engineering that scientists still study today. The Romans created aqueducts to supply cities with clean water, and their concrete structures like the Pantheon have lasted for more than 2,000 years. The Maya and Inca built massive stone cities without the wheel or iron tools, and their designs were resistant to earthquakes. Today, we build skyscrapers that pierce the clouds, mega dams that control rivers, and bridges that span entire valleys. With materials like steel, glass, and reinforced concrete, modern engineering allows us to build faster, higher, and stronger. Computational design and 3D printing enable precision that ancient civilizations couldn't achieve. Ancient engineering was innovative for its time, but modern technology allows for far greater complexity and scale. Now let's look up at the stars and compare astronomy. Ancient civilizations had a remarkable understanding of the cosmos. The Babylonians created some of the earliest star charts, while the Maya developed advanced calendars based on celestial movements. The ancient Greeks, like Aristarchus, even proposed that the Earth revolves around the Sun, centuries before Copernicus. In India, texts like the Surya Siddhanta calculated the Earth's circumference with surprising accuracy. And the Stonehenge and Egypt's pyramids were aligned with astronomical events, showing how deeply connected ancient societies were to the skies. Today, we've gone far beyond observing the stars. We've sent humans to space, landed rovers on Mars, and used the James Webb Space Telescope to look back billions of years into the universe's history. Modern astronomy is powered by physics, mathematics, and advanced technology, allowing us to study black holes, map galaxies, and even search for exoplanets that might harbor life. Ancient civilizations laid the foundation for astronomy, but modern science has taken us to new frontiers, literally. Mathematics is the universal language of science, so how do ancient and modern societies compare? Ancient civilizations, like the Babylonians, developed some of the earliest mathematical systems, including advances in geometry and algebra. The ancient Egyptians used math to build the pyramids, and the Greeks, such as Euclid and Archimedes, created principles that are, still taught today. In India, Aryabhata introduced the concept of zero, which honestly revolutionized mathematics. Modern math builds on these ancient foundations. From calculus to quantum mechanics, Today's mathematics underpins everything from computer algorithms to space exploration. Modern tools like supercomputers allow us to solve problems that would have been impossible in ancient times. So, to sum it up, ancient civilizations provided the building blocks, but modern society has expanded math into realms they couldn't have imagined. Finally, let's compare how knowledge was shared in ancient times versus today. Ancient societies relied on oral traditions, stone carvings, and manuscripts to preserve knowledge. The Library of Alexandria was a hub of learning in ancient Egypt, and the printing of books in ancient China really revolutionized knowledge sharing. However, this process was slow, and unfortunately, much knowledge was lost over time. Today, the internet allows us to share knowledge instantly. Online databases like Google Scholar and Wikipedia provide access to millions of resources. Scientific discoveries can be transmitted globally in just seconds. Technologies like artificial intelligence are even helping us analyze data and generate new knowledge at honestly unprecedented speeds. While ancient civilizations laid the groundwork for documenting knowledge, modern society has made it universally accessible. So who had it better science-wise? Ancient civilizations or modern society? The answer really depends on perspective. Ancient civilizations were incredibly innovative for their time, often working without the tools and technologies we take for granted today. Their discoveries and inventions laid the foundation for modern science. But modern society has built upon their achievements, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with advanced technology, global collaboration, and instant communication. In short, ancient civilizations were the pioneers, but modern society stands on their shoulders, reaching heights they could only dream of. What do you think? Did ancient civilizations have it better, or does modern science take the crown? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Thanks for watching.